And he declared unto you his covenant. What did he declare? This is very important. You need to see this, because if you can't see this, you might get deceived into thinking that, man, I don't know, maybe I'm under the new covenant. Maybe I don't have to keep these commandments. It says he declared unto you his covenant. What is a covenant? It's an agreement. He said, look, you're stiff-necked, you're uncircumcised, your heart is hard, you're prideful. But I tell you what, if you will obey my voice, I will be your God and you shall be my people. Isn't that what he said? He made an agreement. Okay, and he declared unto you his covenant. Watch what the covenant is, which he commanded you to perform. Even 10 commandments. Wait, what's the covenant? Covenant is 10 commandments, because those 10 commandments are a summary of 613 commandments. Okay, now watch this. And he declared unto you his covenant, which he commanded you to perform, even 10 commandments, and he wrote them upon 2 tables of stone. So he gave us these 10 commandments that he expects for us to live by. Let me ask you guys a question. When did he change his mind? When did he say, that old agreement that we had, let's not keep that anymore. I got an idea. You make up whatever agreement you want. When did he say that? He never said that. So why do people think that? If he doesn't change and his word doesn't change, then this covenant didn't change and the commandments didn't change. Give me Malachi chapter 3, verse 6. Malachi chapter 3, verse 6. The scripture says, for I am Yahawah, I change not. Therefore, ye sons of Jacob are not consumed. This is so powerful, because if he changed his mind, he could be like, I forgave you, but I don't feel like that anymore. I'm going to take it back. I just change my mind however I want. He does not change. That's the only reason that we're not destroyed, because he doesn't change. Give me Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8, the scripture says, Jesus Christ, the same yesterday and today and forever. He doesn't change, right? So his word doesn't change either. And that's the reason why we are not consumed.